In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what to do when your sewing machine stops working properly, especially when it starts picking a lot of thread at the bottom or it starts sewing loosely. I don't know about you, but that's the most annoying thing when it comes to sewing. And without wasting your time, let's get to business. Nothing is as annoying as when you're finally in the mood to sew and this eventually happens. Your material gets stuck in your sewing machine. For beginners that love their sewing machine, stop dragging your material out of your sewing machine. Take it easy and release the lever until it slowly comes out, because the more you drag it by force, the more you damage your sewing machine. The first thing you're going to check, if you want to see it, like, come closer. Like, you see this hook part, this part that has the hook for the thread. Like, if your thread is absent from there, you won't be able to sew well. It's just going to like give all these like very loose stitches and make some bad sounds. So you need to fix this one and also needle it as normal. If you've done this and your sewing machine is still giving issues, now you're going to go down to the shuttle. In case you don't know, this is what I call the shuttle. And if you watch closely, the thread was not inside that place I'm pointing. So you just need to like pass the thread the way I'm passing it down to that part. In case you're a bit confused, just watch closely and see how I fix everything back in. If you try this and it sadly didn't work, something you should do is get your shuttle and you're going to find a knot in it. Try your best to like tighten that knot. I don't want to play around with my own knot because it's perfectly working for me, but that's an option I'm giving you to like do. And you just have to like play around with the tension to see what works well for you. And if that doesn't work, the only thing I can think of my head is this part I'm pointing. If you look at it closely, they are like teeth. If you watch and some of them is like abnormal or looking broken, then you need to like change it. I hope this video was helpful. These are just the basic things I check for when my sewing machines are having issues. If you have any cool hack or any cool trick you do while checking your sewing machine, please drop it on the comment section, because I'm also going to love to learn. Every day we learn. Everybody is a learner. Drop it on the comment section, please. And I can't wait for you to like try my hack. If it works out for you, I'll be so happy. And in case your sewing machine is still having an issue still from all those things you do, you need to like service your sewing machine. Maybe take it to a mechanic and also like try cleaning your sewing machine. And if you don't know how to clean your sewing machine, you can just drop it on the comment section, and I'm definitely going to make a video on how to clean your sewing machine. And in case there's any tutorial you want me to like drop it on the comment section. I'm telling you now, don't be shy. Drop it there and I'm going to like make a video solely for you without wasting your time. See you guys.